Take a look. Wow. Wow. I didn't test. Wow. That's good. Yeah, being the construction carpenter, it is a very deep job, and if you make a deeper research on it outside Africa, it is a high paying job. But here in my country, Uganda, it is not taken so serious. People are underpaid. Carpenters are underpaid. For example, the most paid carpenter here in Uganda it is between $5 to $7 a day, not per hour, per day. Yeah, but it's a big job. It's amazing. I don't regret being the construction carpenter. I like it, and I am a senior construction carpenter.